Hello everyone. Today I'd like to introduce a new feature of OpenHands called the OpenHands Slack integration. And basically this is a new feature that allows you to call OpenHands software development agents directly from Slack. And I'm pretty excited about this because it allows you to do things like have a technical discussion with your team and then go in and ask OpenHands to open an issue that helps summarize this and other varieties of things like this. And another thing that we can do is when we get a question from a user or something like this, we can respond to it rather quickly. And so, here we are in our questions channel. We just got a question. I'm getting this on the OpenHands Cloud. Any idea what's happening? And we have this error here. And so what I can do is say, let's have OpenHands investigate. OpenHands. Take a look at this error and create an issue for it. So if I do this, then we can send OpenHands off to the task. And right now what it's doing is it's basically looking at my repositories and it's allowing me to pick a repo that this error is on. And this is on the OpenHands repo. So I sent it the OpenHands repository, and it has started working. So you can also click in and see what OpenHands is doing. I actually don't recommend that you do this that often. It's better to just let it run in the background. But if you're really curious about what the agent is doing while it's working, or want to see how much progress it's made, you can go in and do that. And you can see it got the error. One thing I'd like to point out is it will pull in all the context from your Slack thread. And so if you have a long discussion thread, then it will pull in all of that context and send it directly to OpenHands so that OpenHands can, use that in following up. So it's currently working now. Let's check back in when it finishes. It takes a little while to do work, of course. Okay, and it looks like OpenHands is finished up, and we can see it successfully investigated the error. It found the root cause, so it gave a suggestion about how this might be able to fix, explained the code path and the key issue, and it created a GitHub issue. And I can actually click through and see that the GitHub issue is open here with all of this detailed description. And of course, now that I have an issue, I might also want to fix it. And so if I want to follow up, I can say OpenHands. Great. Now fix the problem. And it says I can continue tracking the progress here. So I can click back through to the link and see what is going on. So I'm not going to wait for it to finish up the problem. This might, take a little while beyond the scope of what we have for this video, but hopefully this gives you an idea of what you can do with the OpenHands Slack integration. And yeah, hope you enjoy it.